Hello guys, how are you? Today in this video I am showing and all Figma tools. So we can start. I will show how to work all tools by Figma, all tools. So let's start. First I'm doing a frame. Okay. Web size frame. Okay. So firstly this is for frame. I'm take this frame. Okay, this one is rectangle, so we select and we can drag and drag. Then this we can make rectangle, and here we can use change the color, any color we can change rectangle. Okay, and here we can make a radius for, and this is radius. Okay, here we can click, then we can per corner radius 0, this type. Okay, so also here has another option, stroke. When we click here, then this is a border, there is border stroke. We can change the border color from here. Okay, and if we want to use only border, then we can here is fill, we can eye off, then fill color will be removed, just still have here border. Okay, then another is line, here is line, we can line stroke. Okay, here we can change color, so here is ellipse, same we can change color. Okay, this all things we can drag and shape. Okay, so also here has another tools, pen tool. So we can work with pen tool any shape. We can make custom shape with pen tool, like if we want like this curve shape, so we can make here. And if you want to fill, then click the hair and we can change color, fill color. Also if you want to remove the stroke, then we can click the minus, then stroke will be removed. Okay, let's see. So this is the pen tool cut work. Then this is pencil, this type color. Okay, we can make custom line with this pen tool. Okay, so normally we use a pen tool more of things. Okay, here is a text, we can make box and write something, you can text. Also you can just like this, and here after write the text, here we can increase the font size, also here we can change font, all font style. Okay, this is hand was, when you select this, then we can move our screen frame. Okay, and this is for comments. If we want to if you want any comments, any design, then place here and write comment. Okay, this is comment, so someone show this comment if you share this file. Okay, this is our main tools. So we can show another things. Here we can use gradient, this is solid color. Here we can click here and linear. Okay, we can move linear angle. Okay, also we can change linear color, here color. Okay, if you want to in the middle another linear color, then you select here, then color will be show here. This is the linear style. Also here as gradient, radial, angular, diamond, all things like same, that we can choose color and we can move the angle. Okay, these things is for our gradient effects. Okay, that's it. So now we will show how we can take a shadow. Here is a shadow, a rectangle. so I can make it white color. So but I want to make shadow beside the rectangle. Okay, we will click effect. Here is the drop shadow option, and in this effect settings we can click. Here we can make blur, how many spaces will be blur. Okay, here will be our shadow color. Here opacity, we can make our shadow opacity, and we can have our x y position shadow. We can make this. Okay, this is our shadow. Okay, effect. Okay, we can do another things for this. Here we can make it colorful. Okay, here is another option, layer blur. We can our layer blur. Here we can make 400 or for 300. Here is our layer is blur. Many section in design we can use these tools, this system layer blur. And here is some things, background blur and inner shadow. So we can mostly use layer blur and drop shadow. These two things we will use in our design. So that's it. And here is a position, center, align position. Okay, so that's it. This is the very simple tools in Figma. So we can use this very easily for any design. So next video we will start and most things in Figma. So today that's enough for these tools. And okay, so thank you so much. We will see other things in our next video. Thank you.